In 2 minutes, I'll teach you a controversial strategy that will steal your future use ability to pick up his phone. So be careful with doing this, because if you do it incorrectly, it can actually end up making your life way worse. And I haven't actually used this personally to reduce my screen time, but it will be a very good tool for you if you're just like starting out and you're struggling a lot with it. So what is the thing? Like, what is the 2 minute trick? The 2 minute trick is a commitment contract. It's from this book, The Atomic Habits, if you haven't already read that. But basically what a commitment contract is you set out something that you want to do. So for example, you write a contract with yourself where you, for example, say, for the next month, I will not watch any short form content. And for example, then you watch that. So there's basically three parts to the commitment contract. There is the rule, then there is the time aspect, and then there is the consequence. So you write, for the next 2 weeks or the next 4 weeks or the next month, I will not watch any short form content. Then you set up the consequence. If I do watch short form content within the next 4 weeks, then I will do set consequence. And then the consequence could be something like, I will eat a whole onion in one sitting. And that could like be the consequence, or it could be, I will give $100 to a stranger or something like that. The thing about the consequence is it needs to be something where you won't feel good about it the next day. So for example, if you set a consequence, I will run 10 kilometers, then you'll kind of feel good about yourself doing that. You'll kind of feel good about that the next day. But if it's something where you told yourself, I'll run 10 kilometers, then you will feel good about that the next day. So it needs to be like a true consequence. So set that up, and it needs to be something where you also feel like, okay, if I actually do mess up, I will do the consequence. So set it up, and the last part of it is the signature, just to make it like official. So you write your signature, yada yada yada. So if you're an entrepreneur and you realize that your screen time is your bottleneck to your business, I will help you, take you from A to Z with your screen time. And if you don't reach the desired position that you want to with your screen time, you don't pay. So it's that simple. So take some action, click on the first thing in the description, see if you qualify, and take some action. Have a good rest of the day. See you, brother.